If you're trying to figure out which AI writer is actually the smartest between Manus AI, Claude, and Genspark, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down what each tool does best, who it is made for, and how to choose the right one depending on the kind of writing or research task you want to complete. And if you find this comparison helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials just like this one. Let's start with Manus AI. Manus AI is designed as an autonomous AI agent, which means it can do more than just generate text. It can research topics, gather information from multiple sources, and complete multi-step tasks with very little supervision. That makes it especially useful if your workflow is more than just writing a paragraph. If you need a tool that can help with research-intensive writing, market analysis, business reports, multi-step workflows, or even AI task automation, Manus AI is built to handle that kind of work. So in simple terms, Manus AI is a strong choice when the job is broad, structured, and requires the AI to act more like a research assistant than just a writing assistant. If your task involves collecting data, organizing that data, and turning it into a useful document, Manus can be very powerful. Now let's move over to Claude. Claude is widely known for writing natural, coherent, and well-structured content. It is especially good at following complex instructions, maintaining consistency across long documents, and producing content that feels polished and human-like. This is one of the main reasons many people use Claude for editing, rewriting, summarizing, and generating professional writing. Claude is a great fit for blog posts, articles, marketing copy, emails, reports, documentation, creative writing, and long-form content. If you care about flow, readability, tone, and structure, Claude is often the strongest option. It is especially useful when you already know what you want and need the AI to turn your ideas into clear, high-quality writing. That means if Manus AI is more about autonomous research and task execution, Claude is more about writing quality and refinement. It shines when you want content that sounds natural and stays consistent from start to finish. Next is Genspark. Genspark focuses on AI-powered search and content synthesis. Instead of just writing from scratch, it gathers information from multiple sources and helps users generate summaries, presentations, and research documents. That makes it very useful for anyone who wants quick information gathering and organized output based on what the web is saying. Genspark is best for research, content summarization, presentations, information gathering, educational material, and feature comparison. So if you need a tool that can quickly pull together insights and turn them into a structured summary or presentation style result, Genspark is very handy. Now, let's compare them in a practical way. If your main goal is deep research and multi-step execution, Manus AI is the strongest pick. If your main goal is the best overall writing quality, especially for natural long-form content, Claude is usually the better choice. And if your goal is fast research synthesis, summaries, or presentation-ready information, Genspark is a smart option. So which one is the smartest AI writer? The answer depends on what you mean by smartest. Manus AI is smartest for autonomous research and task completion. Claude is smartest for writing quality, structure, and consistency. Genspark is smartest for fast synthesis and information gathering. In other words, there is no single winner for every job. The best tool is the one that matches your workflow. If you need to research, organize, and complete a complex task with minimal input, choose Manus AI. If you want the cleanest, most polished writing output, choose Claude. If you want quick summaries and source-based content, choose Genspark. If this comparison helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, tutorials, and side-by-side comparisons. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing these 3 tools in a real writing test, so you can see which one performs best in practice.